Umukoro gugubeira hambuga nkoreza busiramu ahakashazi bwica umurembo rwa Hoima.
The NRM government recognizes and appreciates the Muslim leadership for spearheading development efforts aimed at uplifting our people from poverty. On top of attending to the spiritual needs of the people, the religious leaders are also mandated to help their followers to live decent and fulfilling life.
Hona President asimira obwebembezi bw'abasiramu abokombeka amarwariro hamwe n'amashomero.
I'd like to use this occasion to commend the Muslim community for embracing the wealth and job creation campaign. The Muslim faith has been an active participant in our development agenda on several fronts by setting up social infrastructure like schools, hospitals, institutions of higher learning.
Mwichira w'obukama bw'abunyoro kitara Andrew Byakutaga asimira obusiramu abokushonjera ebyenzarwa okarabira mu kujara kurungi.
Ngoza nokira muno kutangira wekitinisa Robina Nabanja tukusima abokwija mukoro gunu kandi ntukusabira byone byokurabamu abakwa tukyakwetaga tukusabira obirabemu kandi oyongere kugenda kwetwebembera nga Prime Minister wa Bunyoro.
Kubasaba akaruru ka President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yewe akaruru kange nakawe kakusangwa tukatereza President Museveni mpaka last.
We Sheikh Rajab nasima President Museveni abokutorana abebembezi ba Bunyoro omyanya mirungi.
I want also to thank you for promoting our sons and daughters in Bunyoro in high government positions. I want to thank you for also appointing Right Honorable Minister Robina Nabanja Akiki Majegere to be the Prime Minister. We as the people of Bunyoro are proud of you, Your Excellency. Era tuli basanyufu nnyo tusaba Katonda akutuwangalize era abeere nga akuwa okubeera nga oyitawo insha Allah ta'ala mu byonna by'olubirira mu kalulu k'ogendamu. Allah kwongere amadaala era akutukuumire okubeera nga otwagadda nnyo fenga abasiraamu okutwaliza awamu.
President Museveni ahaire emotoka y'okwera emirimo ya District Kath. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.